Hi, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Skibidi Toilet and Indoraptor from Jurassic World as one character. So let's get into it right now. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw the Indoraptor mixed with Skibidi Toilet. So let's do it. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to go right into the Indoraptor's head. And it's going to be a curve right here for kind of the top of the brow. Meaning the brow is kind of that area above your eye. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to pull out, down, right there. And then I'm going to pull a line back over here for kind of the split of the mouth there where it's open. And it's going to keep going there. Line up over here for the eye. Line back there for the back part of the eye. And line like so. Right now I'm going to go right here with a tooth, another tooth, another tooth, another tooth, another tooth, another tooth, another tooth, right there. He's got these the teeth are very distinguished right here. They're very similar to the Indominus Rex. And then we're going to have some stick up over here. He's got it closed and they're sticking right out of his mouth. Real spooky. I'm going to go right here now and I'm going to draw a line like so. It's going to like the split of the pupils there. A slit pupil, meaning it's like a elongated pupil. Going to go back here, down, kind of the neck area. And I'm going to maybe make it down right there. It's going to be in the toilet soon. Going to go right here, bottom of the jaw. Back over here, curve. Line over here now. It's going to look really thin. You know what I'm saying? It's going to have like a lot of gangly areas right here. Line right there. And something that's really distinguishable about this guy, he's got these little frilled spikes, just like the Indominus Rex had. Who's your favorite, by the way? Do you like Indoraptor more than Indominus Rex? I want to know. Jurassic World is, those are awesome. Gonna draw a line over here. Line down over here, right there. And there's a little bit of a pattern he has along like the side. That's another thing. He's got like a colored pattern. But since we're doing black and white, we're going to do it like that. See? Just going to make it appear right there. So let's draw the toilet now. A line here. I want the toilet to be kind of at an angle. Downward over here. Up. All right, that's the toilet seat, pretty much. Also, if you give me the name of this guy, like as the character, I'll pin it. Just give me the what will be the character name, right? So this is Indoraptor mixed with Skibidi Toilet. What would that be? Gonna go right here, out, curve underneath, right there for the toilet. Curve over here, downward over here in this area, down, downward over here, down. And line around here. Line up. Right there. You got the toilet seat. It's like flapping up there, right? You can even draw like, I don't know, like a little circle right there where like it attaches. And we obviously want excuse me, like yawning. I didn't sleep that well last night, but we obviously want to have the the back portion of the toilet, right? The tank. So we're gonna draw a line over here. down, curve underneath, and line right there. Let's go over here in this area, up, and you got the toilet, like the actual, how do you say that? The tank right there, the lid. And there will be like a handle. So the handle can be anything. It can kind of look like, you know, like a pinball, you know, those kind of things. Something like that. And we want to put a little bit of, I wouldn't say detail into this, but sometimes it has some tubes. You can go something like that, like an S curve and another S curve. And you do want to distinguish kind of like the pattern on that to make it look different. So what you can do is you can do this line, 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 line. Down right here, curve. Line over here. Right there. Line, line, line. Over here on this side. Right there. We're putting a line right there to give the toilet seat the seat right there, a little bit of dimension. I think it kind of helps with that. Same thing right here as well. I can give it a little bit of dimension by like maybe drawing a curved line here, down right there, down. Same thing over here on this side. Maybe like a line right here. And the line tends to, usually lines tend to show like a little bit of a difference in shape, but I think for this it's different. It's just kind of showing off the area right there. Line, line, line. Curve right there. And like I said, from this point on, it's all just kind of extra details. So for example, you can just throw a little bit of curve right there on the Indoraptor's face. If you want, you can make it, you know, again, you can draw like a little dark down here to give it a little bit more dimension. Line over here as well. Right there, maybe a little angry R sort of thing. Curve over here. And yeah, like I said, you can keep adding little spikes. I think you had a little bit more little those frills, but not like a ton. But that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much for watching. You're amazing. Share the video if you can, and also say hi to me. Like if you say hi right now, I'll know that you watched the whole video, and you're amazing. Stick around. We're going to go into another video lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.